I should buy a robot assistant. And now you can. The workflow agent within your Copilot experience is going to be a game changer. Simply describe your automation and build it. Now, it may take a little bit of tweaking, but if you have zero Power Automate skill, you now have the ability to build those awesome workflows and reap the benefits right now. What's up, everybody? Greg Trzeciak here with Pragmatic Works, and today is all about the workflow agent within the Copilot experience. So what are workflows? Workflows are automated processes. When you get an email, I want this to happen. When you get a Teams message, I want it over here. Or one of my personal favorites, if something is flagged as high importance, actually send me a Teams message so I go and I check my email right away. Now, all of this is available at your fingertips in your agent experience. So to start off today, where we're going to head is to m365.cloud.microsoft, and we're going to go there, log in, take a moment, and where we're going to travel to is on the left-hand side. Once you authenticate in, we're going to go all the way over to agents here. Select agents. And after you've selected agents, you can see some of the regular agents here that you might use a lot, and even some ones custom to your organization. But you also can go and click on more agents. So I'm going to click more agents, and you can see this page here. This is the agents store. So thing that you've created, all that stuff is going to be here. Specifically, what we're after today is the workflows agent. So now that we know what a workflow is, we can see the workflows agent. It is part of the Frontier program, so I encourage you to hit the ellipses here and go to About. And this will describe more about kind of what it's going on for. Now, really, it is to build Power Automate flows with natural language. No longer are we having to actually write out all these steps and these logic statements. All of that is going to be done right here. So we are not going to go to Power Automate at all. That is off the table today. We're going to be working right here. Now, the Frontier program, for those of you who don't know, is a early access program to experimental items. Think of it like us saying it's in alpha or kind of in the process preview mode. So it is not guaranteed to be exactly perfect all the time. In fact, if you look at the reviews for the workflows agent, it got a 2 out of 5 stars. I think that is a load of baloney because it is experimental. And if you know the right prompts, you're going to get some awesome outputs. And that's what our goal is today. So this is an agent. We can use this in a lot of cool ways. And as you go here, you can link it and open it and do all this stuff here. We're going to select the workflows agent right here. And once it's selected, you're going to see the main stage. So just like any agent, we have this general chat box right here where we can describe it to design it. You also have your microphone icon here if you want to dictate what you'd like. And below, we've got some pretty set up prompts for us. What happens when I've missed important emails? I've got a weekly project. I've got a planner task summary. And this is going to integrate in with other technologies as well. I bet if we use this planner task summary, it's going to bring us to Microsoft Planner. Below, you're going to see your workflows. This is one that I have. I totally forgot about this, and I kept getting Teams messages that I was sent a very important email, and I wondered why. I thought maybe even it was a tenant setting because I completely forgot about it. But I've grown to love it, and I've left the feature on for many months now, and I keep it. And it is all made with the workflows here. How does this process work? Well, first, we want to actually write and describe a workflow. So pause the video for a second and think about some things that you'd like to automate. Okay, maybe you thought about a couple things there because there's definitely things that I'd like to automate. All right. One of those was when I get that high importance email, send me a Teams meeting. Another one is look at some of the things that I'm doing for the week and write me out a little bit of a schedule. Or another good one is keep me updated on particular projects. Now, these are things we can ask within Copilot, but we're building out a automation in the workflow experience. It's a little bit more cut and dry to see the flow of how the workflow is going to run as well. Let's use this one right here, the planner tasks summary. I'm going to select this. Each weekday morning, review all my planner tasks that are in progress or not started. For each task, include the title, the due dates, send me a message in Teams that is concise, professional, with upcoming tasks, today's date. It better be easy to read, well formatted, and grouped by not started and in progress. Help me quickly review and act on priorities. Awesome. All right, if I actually got this working, I'd be pretty happy. And it is a sample prompt, so it's probably going to be pretty flawless. Let's try this out here. So I'm going to click send. And what's going to happen is it's going to read through just like anything in Copilot. When you give it that prompt, it's going to read through, analyze it, start lining things up. And then we're going to notice this kind of wheel start over the right-hand side where it's actually processing the step-by-step that it needs. So it's going to process this through. We'll give it a little bit of time to think, and we should have a workflow built for us here. So let's let it have a chance to build. All right, so took a little bit, but it is done. And here we see a trigger, weekly morning recurrence. Recurrence here to get planner task list, all the planner tasks for Greg that are not started or in progress. And then finally, the Teams piece, send a Teams task summary for Greg. Reasoning completed in 5 steps. Let's look. Planning, prepare, build the workflow, add the planner, add the teams, and this is calling in those tools. So it's developing all those aspects that you would have had to here. Activate, click save. Here's me. Hey, all right, let's go ahead and save this here. So I'm going to save that workflow, and then we're going to anticipate this coming through and seeing these tasks. So a weekday morning recurrence. What is cool about this is saving right now, but I can put in new commands. I can update this. I can say, hey, I just want it on Monday. Hey, when I say weekday, I mean at 8:30. We can set all that up and do updates. So that's a pretty awesome thing. So this has saved successfully here. All right, so I'm gonna hit test here because we're gonna force it to run. So I'm gonna let this run. It's starting to actively run here. I've got Teams open as well. So I'm gonna head over to Teams as this processes and we'll see, do I get a list of all those tasks? So we'll let it run for a moment. Give it some time, and then we'll check it out. Awesome. Okay, so we got the message sending the Teams task summary. It says testing here. I actually just saw it pop through. It took about 50 seconds to go through Planner, grab everything, and formulate it. So this is good for kind of planning and anticipating. Let's bring Teams on over and actually take a peek at what it crafted. All right, so here's my upcoming task. Quick, easy, to the point, professional. What is not started? What is in progress? These are all the Copilot re-records. These are real projects I'm working on with other trainers. Nicole, Amelia, and I were all going ham on some of these recordings. So I've got all of that right here, which is pretty awesome. Now, I can make some changes, and that is super easy to do as well. If I want to make an adjustment and say, okay, let's run every weekday, but at 9 a.m. Right? I can send that up, and immediately Frontier with workflows is going to get to work preparing it right here. So you can make those micro adjustments to a workflow you really like. Here's what we've got. 3 steps, super easy. I just added it as a part of the weekly recurrence. I'm going to run it at 9 a.m. So now I have a time and I don't just have to test it. So I'm actually going to save this and anticipate that tomorrow at 9 a.m. But while we're here, let's head back over to agents once it has saved. So I'm going to head back over to Copilot. I'm going to go to my agents. I'm going to head up my workflows here. And I can see my workflows right here. This is also where I can go and turn them off. So if I want to turn one off for a bit, maybe I'm going on vacation, I want to get those emails, turn it off, delete. My nerds out there, you're probably wondering, where does this live? The fun fact is this does not live in Power Automate. A lot of people go, huh? What? What are you saying? Well, this actually lives within the Power Platform Admin Center as a part of the M365. Here I can see under Manage and Copilot Studio, here are agent flows. So it's 3 parts here. Manage in the Power Platform Admin Center, Copilot Studio, then your agent flows. Now I've already filtered it down to mine right here, and I can see high importance email and a different agent flow, but particularly this one, my workflows. Let me refresh here and see if we get this brand new planner task to actually formulate. So lots of cool agents here, couple of things here. I've already got it filtered to me, which is awesome, but I'm going to go to agent flows. It's still filtered to me. Here it is, the weekday planner task. Now I can select this and I see workflows agent. I can see when it was made, what's the ID, the item ID, any connectors that it's leveraging, and the usage. So I did a test for this. That's kind of it, but you can actually track people using these workflows. That is pretty awesome. So I only did a quick test. I think we might get maybe just that showing up here, but you can see the usage. Now, what do you think? What are you going to build as a workflow? Describe it to design it style. Again, do we even need Power Automate? Let me know what you're going to build down in the comments below. I might try to snag some of those ideas. I definitely recommend the planner task and any of those high importance emails. Hey, while we're here, make sure you check out some of our brand new Copilot courses on our on-demand learning. If you use Greg40 right now, you're going to save yourself 40% off a yearly subscription, and you can become a Copilot king or queen like Amelia and myself. Well, that's workflows. I think it deserves a little bit better than the 2-star rating it's got right now. Hope to see you in the next YouTube video. Check out some more of these agents and stay pragmatic.